Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting by protecting data and avoiding activation lock. First, back up your iPad to iCloud or to a computer so you can restore later. This prevents permanent loss. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, and turn off Find My iPad. This ensures activation lock won't block the next user. Make sure you sign out of your Apple ID completely, otherwise the device will remain linked. These steps clear account ties and prepare the device for a full erase. Now you perform the erase directly on the iPad. Open Settings, tap General, then transfer or reset iPad and choose Erase All Content and Settings. This removes data and returns system defaults. You'll be asked for your device passcode and Apple ID password to confirm. Enter them to start. Make sure the iPad stays plugged in and on Wi-Fi. Interruptions can stall the process. Once the erase runs, the iPad will reboot to setup screens, indicating if the settings route fails or the iPad won't boot, erase using a computer. Connect the iPad to a Mac, Finder, or Windows PC iTunes, put the device into recovery mode, and select Restore. This downloads and reinstalls iPad OS and wipes the device. This method fixes corrupted systems and removes data when the touchscreen is inaccessible. If you hit errors, make sure you're using an Apple-certified cable, try a different USB port, and update the computer's OS before retrying. That usually resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.